we are heating. So it will be splits into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. We have taken calcium carbonate, it will be splits into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So we are doing this reaction with the help of heat. So the energy releasing substance is called an exothermic reaction. And what is the difference between exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction? Absolutely right answer. The exothermic reaction is energy releasing reaction and the endothermic reaction is energy absorbing reaction. This is called an exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. And what is the thermal reaction? As the thermal reaction is nothing but the reaction which will be done in the presence of heat is called an thermal reaction. And what is meant by photochemical reaction? As Feroz, the photochemical reaction is nothing but, for example, I want to tell one experiment. Take a silver bromide in a watch glass, okay? Take silver bromide in a watch glass and observe the color of silver bromide. What is the color of silver bromide? The actual color of silver bromide is yellow color. So put the silver bromide sometimes in the presence of sunlight. So the yellow color silver bromide will be changed into grey color. For what? Because there has been done photochemical reaction. We have taken silver bromide. So the silver bromide will be decomposes. It will be splits into two or more substance. It's called an chemical decomposition reaction. So the silver bromide will be splits into silver plus bromide. In the presence of sunlight. Hello, Svero.
Hi, Sarah.
Yes, hi.
I'm Prashanti Pyaro from Suryapet.
Yes, Svero. What is
the chemical combination reaction exothermic or endothermic?
What? Once again,
Is the chemical combination reaction exothermic or endothermic?
Yes, it's an exothermic reaction. It's a good answer, Svero. I appreciate you. Wait, I would like to explain. What is the chemical combination reaction? Yes, the chemical combination reaction is nothing but in this reaction, the compound will be, the product will be, yes, Svero.
Hello.
Hello, Svero.
Hello. Hi, Sarah.
Hi. May I know what is your name?
My name is Shrija Svero from Nizamabad, Siddapalli district.
Yes, Svero. Any queries?
Svero, what is meant by precipitation?
Yes, it's a good answer. Precipitate is nothing but the yellow color substance is called an precipitate. So the chemical which did not insoluble in water is called an precipitation. Good, Svero. It's a good question. Yes, Svero, the chemical combination reaction is nothing but in this chemical combination reaction, the product will be single with the reactants of two or more substance. It's called an chemical combination reaction. Yes, Svero, the chemical combination reaction. We have taken magnesium plus oxygen. We have burned this magnesium ribbon in the presence of heat now. So the heat releasing, the heat energy is releasing is called an chemical exothermic reaction. Hello, Svero.
Hi, sir.
Hi, Svero. Yes. May I know what is your name?
My name is Prabhakar from Chilkur.
Yes, Svero.
What do you mean by exothermic reaction?
Exothermic reaction is nothing but the energy releasing reaction is called an exothermic reaction.
How the energy?
Yes, Svero, I would like to explain for you. See, Svero, I have taken calcium carbonate. Yes, I have taken calcium carbonate and I am burning this calcium carbonate. When I am burning this calcium carbonate, it will be splits into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So this is called an exothermic reaction. As Feroz, in our daily life we are using so many chemicals. In what purpose? In medicines, in soft drinks and in whitewashing. In whitewashing what chemical we are using? As calcium carbonate. Hello, Svero.
Hello. Hi, Svero.
Hi. May I know what is your name?
My name is D. Hemalata.
Yes, Svero. Any questions?
I'm from Mechal.
Yes.
What is test for CO2 gas?
What?
What is test for CO2 gas?
Once again, Svero.
What is test for CO2 gas?
what is test for CO2 gas? Is it your question? Yes,
sir.
Vero. When we the calcium carbonate, when we take in the calcium carbonate, it splits into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. How we know the carbon dioxide gas is released? The evolution of gas we don't know. So when we take a matchstick near to the burning matchstick near to the delivery tube, if the carbon dioxide is released, the matchstick will be put off. Yes, Vero. Hello, Vero.
Hello. Hello, hi.
Hi.
I'm from Sudharani from Nelkondapalli.
Yes, Vero. What's your question?
I have one doubt.
Yes.
Can we conclude the photosynthesis as photochemical reaction as a chemical reaction?
Yes. Photochemical reaction is nothing but the reaction which will be done in the presence of sunlight is called an photochemical reaction. It's a good answer, Sphero. The chemical, yes, the photochemical reaction is nothing but it is a displacement reaction. See, I will show. We have taken silver bromide, okay? What we have taken? We have taken silver bromide and we are taking the silver bromide in the presence of sunlight. It is a displacement reaction. Yes, let's now show in that PPT. Okay, Spheros, what we have learned? We have learned today about types of chemical reaction. What are they? What is meant by chemical reaction? Yes, the chemical reaction is nothing but in this reaction, the process by which the atoms of one or more substance are rearranged to form different substance. In the chemical reactions, the formation and breaking of chemicals bond. And in chemical reaction, atoms are neither created and nor be destroyed. This is called an chemical reaction. So today we have learned about types of chemical reaction. What are they? First one is chemical combination and second one is decomposition reaction and third one is displacement reaction. And what is the fourth one? Yes, double displacement reaction. So first we have known about chemical combination. The chemical combination is nothing but a reaction in which single product is formed to two or more reactant is known as chemical combination reaction. For understanding this chemical combination reaction, we have done the magnesium ribbon, burning of magnesium ribbon. And next one is, if we take another example of chemical combination reaction, we can take carbon plus oxygen. It gives rise to carbon dioxide and this was heat energy. So this is called an thermal decomposition reaction. The thermal decomposition reaction is nothing but the reaction which has been carried out by heat energy is called an thermal decomposition reaction. And what is second one? Yes, exothermic reaction. An exothermic reaction occurs when more energy is released from forming new bonds than is required to break bonds in the initial reaction. This reaction tend to feel warm. And what is the second one? Chemical decomposition reaction. The chemical decomposition reaction is nothing but in this reaction single compound breaks down into two or more simpler substance. This is called an chemical decomposition reaction. So for understanding this chemical decomposition reaction, we have taken lead nitrate. When we heat the lead nitrate, it decomposes into lead oxide plus nitrogen gas and oxygen gas. This is called an displacement reaction. And we have taken, what is the another example? Calcium carbonate. When the calcium carbonate was heating, it will be split into calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So, Spheros, this calcium carbonate will be used in ceramics and marbles. Okay? This calcium carbonate used in our daily life. And what is meant by photochemical reaction? The photochemical reaction is nothing but the decomposition reaction which occur in the presence of sunlight is called a photochemical reaction. For understanding this photochemical reaction, first of all we have taken silver bromide in a watch glass and we have put this silver bromide sometimes in a sunlight. So the actual color of silver bromide is yellow color, but after putting sometimes in a sunlight, the yellow color changes to grey color. This is called an photochemical reaction. The photochemical reaction is nothing but the reaction which will be done in the presence of sunlight is called an photochemical reaction. And displacement reaction. What is the third reaction? Good Spheros, the third reaction is nothing but displacement reaction. A reaction in which the atoms of an element replace the atoms of another element in a compound is called an displacement reaction. For understanding this displacement reaction, we have taken zinc plus hydrochloric acid. It gives rise to zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. When the hydrogen gas was releasing, the balloon bulges. This is called an displacement reaction. And we have taken another experiment, another equation. What we have taken? Ferrous means iron. Iron plus copper sulfate. It gives rise to iron sulfate plus copper. Iron is more reactive than copper. So, it displaces from copper to copper sulfate. This is called an displacement reaction. And what is the fourth reaction? The fourth reaction is nothing but double displacement reaction. What is meant by double displacement reaction, Sweros? As it's a good answer. The double displacement reaction is nothing but if two reactants exchange their ions and form two products, then the reaction is called as displacement reaction. For understanding this double displacement reaction, we have done one activity. What is that? We have taken lead nitrate plus potassium iodide. It gives rise to potassium iodide plus lead nitrate. The potassium iodide is nothing but it is an yellow color precipitate. What is meant by precipitate? The precipitate is nothing but the chemical which did not insoluble in water is called an precipitate. See here, yellow color substance which is insoluble in water is formed as precipitate. The precipitate is lead iodide. And we have taken sodium chloride plus silver nitrate. So, it gives rise to silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. This is called an double displacement reaction. The double displacement reaction is nothing but the chemicals will be exchanged their constituents and form an two products. It's called an chemical double displacement reaction. So, these all reactions we are using in daily life. In what purpose we are using? In medicines. Okay, Sweros, in medicines we are using this. What we are using in medicines? Calcium and iron. In soft drinks we are using carbon dioxide. In whitewashing we are using calcium carbonate. In food industry we are using calcium hydroxide. And in preservation of eggs also we are using calcium hydroxide. Making papads we are using calcium hydroxide. And marbles and ceramics we are using calcium carbonate. In dyes also we are using lead oxide. So, let us exercise. What is a chemical reaction? As the chemical reaction is nothing but in this reaction the elements, the atoms are neither created and not be destroyed. It is called an chemical reaction. What are the types of chemical reaction? As good answer. There are 4 types of chemical reaction. First one is chemical combination, and second one is chemical decomposition, and third one is chemical displacement reaction, and fourth one is chemical double displacement reaction. Give one example for each type of chemical reaction. As what is the example for all the reactions? For first reaction, chemical combination, we have taken magnesium ribbon. When the magnesium ribbon burn in the presence of oxygen with the help of Bunsen burner, it was what we have found? Magnesium oxide. These are the some examples of chemical reaction. So, let us see uses of chemicals in our daily life. See here, we have seen papads. These papads are preserved by the calcium hydroxide, and all these food industry materials are being preserved by calcium hydroxide. In the cool drinks, in the soft drinks, in alcohols also we are using carbon dioxide gas. And for preserving chips, all those what gas we are filling in this packet? As nitrogen gas we are filling. And what chemical will present in onion? As sulfur will be present. Okay, Sweros, bye.